Millionaires, have you ever felt like your day is slipping away from you before it even starts? Imagine waking up and feeling like you're already behind. Sounds familiar, right? What if I told you that just a few small changes could turn your entire day around and make every moment count? Hey, it's Molly here from Wondrous Millionaires. I want to share some tiny habits that seemed insignificant at first, but they made a massive difference. Stay with me until the end because these tips can truly transform your day and help you live like the millionaire you are destined to be. By the end of this video, you'll have a powerful toolkit of little habits that will not only make your day better but will also help you achieve a balanced and fulfilling life. Trust me, you won't want to miss a single one. Number 1. Hydrate with warm water. Imagine starting your day with a simple glass of warm water. How could that possibly change your life? Drinking a glass of warm water first thing in the morning is a small but powerful habit. It helps to kickstart your metabolism, flush out toxins, and improve your digestive system. In Ayurveda, an ancient Indian system of medicine, this practice is highly recommended for its numerous health benefits. It's like giving your body a gentle cleanse, helping you feel fresh and invigorated. Adding a slice of lemon can enhance these benefits by providing a dose of vitamin C and aiding in digestion. So, before you reach for that cup of coffee, try a glass of warm water to jumpstart your day in a healthy way. Number 2. Mindful meditation. Ever thought a few minutes of stillness could bring clarity and calm? Meditation is a powerful tool for calming the mind and bringing a sense of peace and clarity to your day. Just a few minutes of mindful meditation in the morning can set a positive tone for the rest of your day. This practice involves focusing on your breath and letting go of any thoughts or worries that may be cluttering your mind. In India, mindfulness and meditation have been practiced for centuries as a way to connect with the inner self and find inner peace. Simple breathing techniques, such as inhaling deeply through the nose and exhaling slowly through the mouth, can help to center your mind and reduce stress. Number 3. Daily affirmations. How could speaking positively to yourself change your entire mindset? Daily affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself to help shift your mindset and boost your confidence. By focusing on positive thoughts and words, you can reprogram your mind to believe in your abilities and achieve your goals. In Indian philosophy, affirmations have been used for centuries to promote positive thinking and self-improvement. Examples of affirmations include, I am capable of achieving great things, and I am worthy of love and respect. By incorporating affirmations into your daily routine, you can start your day with a positive mindset and a renewed sense of purpose. Number 4. Reading or learning something new. Can a few pages of reading inspire you to greatness? Reading and learning something new each day is a great way to stimulate your mind and expand your knowledge. Whether it's a few pages of a book, an article, or a new skill, taking time to learn something new can help you stay engaged and motivated. In India, reading and continuous learning are highly valued as a way to achieve personal growth and development. Suggesting Indian authors or inspirational books can provide a wealth of knowledge and inspiration to help you achieve your goals. By incorporating reading and learning into your daily routine, you can stay curious and motivated to achieve your dreams. Number 5. Short breaks for rejuvenation. Could taking a short break be the key to your productivity? Taking short breaks throughout the day is essential for maintaining productivity and preventing burnout. Even just a few minutes of rest or relaxation can help to recharge your energy and improve your focus. In India, power naps or quick walks are a popular way to take a break and rejuvenate the mind and body. By taking regular breaks, you can stay refreshed and motivated and avoid feeling overwhelmed or stressed. Whether it's a short walk outside, a few minutes of deep breathing, or a quick nap, taking time to rest and recharge can help you stay productive and focused throughout the day. Number 6. Practice gratitude. Could acknowledging what you have change your perspective? Practicing gratitude involves taking time to appreciate the good things in your life and expressing thanks for what you have. This simple habit can help to shift your focus from what you lack to what you have and cultivate a sense of contentment and happiness. In India, gratitude practices such as giving thanks for food and other blessings are an important part of daily life. By taking time each day to reflect on the things you are grateful for, you can develop a more positive mindset and enjoy a greater sense of well-being. Number 7. Wind down with a book or music. How could ending your day with a good book or soothing music lead to better sleep? Reading a book or listening to soothing music before bed is a great way to wind down and relax. This simple habit can help to reduce stress and prepare your mind and body for sleep. In India, classical music and traditional stories are often used to create a calming atmosphere before bed. By taking time each night to enjoy a good book or listen to relaxing music, you can create a peaceful bedtime routine and improve the quality of your sleep. Number 8. Set goals for the next day. What if planning ahead could make your next day even better? Setting goals for the next day is a great way to stay organized and focused. By taking a few minutes each night to plan out your tasks and priorities, you can start your day with a clear sense of direction and purpose. In India, using a planner or a simple to-do list is a popular way to stay organized and achieve your goals. By setting goals and planning ahead, you can make the most of your time and stay on track to achieve your dreams. Number 9. Digital detox before bed. How could unplugging from your devices lead to deeper rest? Reducing screen time before bed is essential for improving the quality of your sleep. The blue light emitted by phones and computers can interfere with your body's natural sleep cycle and make it harder to fall asleep. In India, the tradition of early to bed and early to rise is often followed to promote better sleep and overall health. By taking time each night to unplug from your devices and relax, you can create a more restful bedtime routine and enjoy a deeper, more restorative sleep. Number 10. Get enough sleep. Could the right amount of sleep be the ultimate key to a better day? Getting enough sleep is essential for maintaining physical health and mental well-being. Lack of sleep can lead to a variety of health problems, including stress, anxiety, and decreased cognitive function. In India, the tradition of early to bed and early to rise is often followed to promote better sleep and overall health. By prioritizing sleep and creating a restful bedtime routine, you can improve the quality of your sleep and enjoy a more energized and productive day. Here's your bonus tip for making to the end. Number 11. Be kind to yourself. How could a little self-compassion make a world of difference? Practicing self-compassion involves being kind to yourself and treating yourself with the same care and understanding that you would offer to a friend. This simple habit can help to reduce stress and promote a sense of well-being and happiness. In India, self-compassion and self-care are often practiced through mindfulness and meditation. By taking time each day to be kind to yourself and practice self-compassion, you can develop a more positive mindset and enjoy a greater sense of happiness and fulfillment. Thanks for tuning in, millionaires. If you loved these tips, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more uplifting content. Got any gratitude wins to share? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video, and remember to stay grateful and keep shining.